To get to the real reason why I'm doing this video right now is because I think his name is Izzy or Izza, something like that. He was not lying about the charger port thing. And I am going to also prove it to you guys. I just want to also add, this shit freaks me out. Here is my wall. Here is the box. Here is the corner. Y'all see that shit? He was not lying. What kind of alien technology is this bullshit? Dear God. I think it's going to fall in a second, though. That's what's crazy about it. I don't know what it is. This shit's crazy. Well, it's still up there.